morning. I want to share 5 words with you. These are 5 words that I believe will help you to generate a lot of business. And let me start this way. If you ask a sales rep who's got an account, how did you get that account? How did you get that company, that customer? You'll get one of 2 answers. If it's a low profit account, you're likely to hear something like, well, there was an RFQ, there was a bid, and I won. And we get the business. Cool. If it's a high profit account, something that they're just killing it with, the answer is different. The answer is something more like, I get into a really good sales conversation and I earned the business. The difference between those 2 things comes down to 2 words to start with. How's business? These 2 words will get you into great conversations. How's business? Everybody loves talking about themselves. We are our own favorite subject. And you ask someone during the course of a day, how's business? Oh my gosh, they're going to go on and on and on. So if you come across an opportunity during the day, the kind of which I've been talking about for several weeks now, try getting into a conversation, but resist the urge to solve the problem before adding 3 more words. Tell me more. Tell me more. Don't solve it. Investigate it. So let's suppose you walk into your bank. You talk to the bank manager. How's business? And they say, well, it's going pretty well. With money so cheap, there are a lot of opportunities for us to help customers of both individual and business nature to expand, to add on. And we're very excited about taking advantage of that opportunity. And you think to yourself, holy cow, I'm going to solve that with window clings and pull up banners. And maybe I'll do some promotional products with them. And maybe I'll talk to them about mailings. And stop. Tell me more. What have you got going on? See, tell me more doesn't have to be tell me more. You can say, what have you done in the past? What are your plans? Are there any promotions coming up? That's also tell me more. Open-ended questions. And what you might get out of that is something like, well, we did have something going on in the past, but boy, that vendor was terrible. And as a result of that, we're looking for someone new. And okay, ding, 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 hello, tell me more in different forms just got you some great information. Because here's what's going to happen. Down the road, let's suppose you do some work with them and you give them a proposal. They come back and they say, gee, this is more than what we were spending. Because you asked, tell me more, you can back up and say, yeah, but didn't you tell me you were unhappy with that current vendor? See, that's where this thing leads as well. There's a whole lot of benefit to how's business and tell me more. So there's your thought for the week. Have a great selling week. Welcome to spring. And we're almost at the finish line. Let's go.